Hello everybody, welcome to TAMCO Bite Size, where today we're going to talk about the new F4P 16 litre cooler. First of all, let's start off with the handle. We've got this big, heavy, rugged handle with a rubber comfort grip, perfect for carrying this around all day long. Now let's take a look at the lid. We've got two cup holders on the top with drainage seeps, which is perfect, so as your condensation's falling down your cup, it's just going to flow right off the cooler. Let's open up the lid, and you're going to see this nice little secret compartment. Perfect for keeping your keys or your phone up in that lid all day long, so you know exactly where they are. If we open the unit up, you can see you've got these big plastic handles right here, so they're not going to break over time. Doesn't matter how aggressive you get with them. And then inside, we've got this inner net, so if you've got knives, forks, spoons, whatever you want for the day, you can keep them all in there so they stay nice and safe. And you've also got inner trays. This is perfect for drier foods or sandwiches, something like that. So because you've got all that ice in the bottom, what you don't want is for your food to get wet or moist, so those trays keep them nice and protected. Pull them out, and you can hold a 12-pack of drinks. So on the job site, that's going to be waters or Gatorades. However you take this thing hunting or fishing on the weekends, by all means, fill this thing up with beer, because we've got a bottle opener right here for you, so you can just crack a beer open anytime you want. And if you want, we can even keep those beers safe. You've got a padlock safe right there. So what you can do, put your padlock in there, protect your beers all day long. Okay, that's all from us today. Take care.